Kunzima ukulwa nento engabonakali, kepha izisebenzi zezempilo ziyibamba ishisa injalo. Lesifo i-COVID-19 sidla fumuka, sidle silaza. E-Free State kuphela nje sekwedlule emhlabeni izisebenzi zezempilo ezingama-44 zingaphezulu kuka-3,700 ezihaqekile. Kwabanye lona ngumsebenzi okhathaza ngisho nomqondo uqobo.
The deaths when coming to COVID, they are more than under normal circumstances. And it's something that's really even tearing us apart because we also put ourselves in those families.
Basically, being a doctor during a pandemic obviously is very stressful. Basically, because we don't really know much about the COVID-19. So we know corona, but we don't know much about COVID-19.
Nakuba zikhona izinselele kepha izisebenzi zezempilo ziyaqhubeka nokubeka impilo yazo engcupheni. Abakhala kakhulu yilabo basebenza emagumbini ezimo eziphuthumayo.
It's a very stressful situation because the high care has a lot more critical patients requiring higher levels of care. We are a specialized oxygenation unit. So when someone has lung damage from the coronavirus, they don't get the oxygen through their lungs into their body.
Bangaphezulu kuka-61,000 abahaqekile Free State bese bebangaphezulu kuka-2,000 asebeshonile. Izikhulu zezempilo zikhathazekile ngalesimo.
We really appreciate the work they did because I think as Free State we did very well in fighting this pandemic. When it started, people thought we would be one of those provinces with high numbers.
Le ndlela ayilula neze kepha izisebenzi zomkhakha wezempilo kuzodingeka ukuthi ziyibambe ishisa.